Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we have this exponential equation, and we are going to find the value of x. Okay, there are so many ways to solve this equation, but I'm just going to do it this time, solving using the easiest way possible that I found. Okay, so firstly guys, what I'm gonna do is let's look to these powers. Okay, so I'm gonna take the powers. First of all, we have to know that uh, 6x minus 13 has to be different from 0. So it means that 6x has to be different from 13, and x has to be different from 13 over 6. Okay, so now what I'm gonna say is we have 16. I'm just gonna take the power 5x minus 10 divided by 6x minus 13, and I'm gonna subtract this one here, minus 3 minus x 6x minus 13, and I'm gonna see what this is. Okay, so this subtraction will give me what? So we're gonna have from here that this is going to be same denominator, so we're going to have 5x minus 10 minus 3 minus x, right, all over 6x minus 13. So now this is going to be 5x minus 10 minus 3 and plus x, and this is over 6x minus 13, right? This one and this one, it will give us 6x, and this is minus 13, and then we have here over we have here then over 6x minus 13. So this one divided by this give us 1. So it means that this subtraction here, it will give us 1. So since this one minus this one is 1, it means that this one here, right, it means that 5x minus 10 divided by 6x minus 13, this is going to be what? Equals this one here, it's going to be 1. This one comes here positive, past 3 minus x all over, right, 6x minus 13. So now I'm going to write it differently. So we're going to have this one here equals to 3 minus x over 6x minus 13, and then plus 1. So I'm going to replace this one here in our original equation here. So I'm going to rewrite our original equation, right? So we're going to have then 64 to the power, and now instead of this one we're going to write instead of this one we're going to write this one here. So we're going to have then 3 minus x divided by 6x minus 13 plus 1 minus 64 to the power 3 minus x over 6x minus 13, and then this is equals to 63. Okay, so guys, given this one here, now we can say plus 1 here. We're going to say that we have 3 to the power of 3 minus x over 6x minus 13, okay, times, so this is 64 times 64 because we have 1 here, minus 64 to the power of 3 minus x divided by 6x minus 13 equals to 63. Okay, so now we have this one and this one, they're the same, so we're gonna have 64 to the power of 3 minus x over 6x minus 13. Now we have bracket 64, and we have here minus 1, and this is equals 63. Okay, so now we have 64 to the power of 3 minus x divided by 64 minus, sorry, 6x minus 13 times this one is 13 equals, sorry, 63 equals 63. So now we have then this one goes with this one, this is gonna give us 1. So we're gonna have 64 to the power 3 minus x over 6x minus 13 equals 1. And 1 is 64 to the power of 0, right? So we have then 64 to the power of 3 minus x over 6x minus 13 equals to 64 to the power of 0. It means that our 3 minus x, same basis, same powers, 6x minus 13 is going to be equals to 0. So Now we already said in the beginning that x has to be different from 3. 13 divided by 6, so now we have that 3 minus x here is going to be equal 0, and then we have our x goes this side, so we're going to have x is equals to 3. Okay guys, so we can check very quickly. So here let's just say that this one here would give us what we have then 64. So let's pick this one here, right? We have already this one here is equal to this one plus what? Plus 1. Okay, so well, let's say we have 5x minus 10 divided by 6x minus 13, and following the same steps, we're gonna have just that this one here is going to be 4. Okay, not exactly 4. Sorry guys, we have very simply that this one here is equal to 0, so it means that this one here is always going to be equals 1. So replacing here, we're going to have 64 to the power of 1 minus 64 to the power of 0, which is going to be 63. So we're going to have 64 minus 1 equals 63. So we have then 63 equals 63. So our answer is 3 actually. X equals 3. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Please subscribe, drop a comment, and bye bye. See you next video.